Welcome back. Now, one of the elements that you'll find within ChatGPT plugins is text to audio. If you go to the plugin store and you search for audio, you will see plugins available that will help you to take text from ChatGPT to turn it into audio. Now, in some cases, when you attach a plugin, ChatGPT will require you to set up an account on the site of the developer. What we are going to do is we're going to install one of the plugins. Now, hitting the install button requires you to sign up with an email account. Now, if you do want to use the plugin with ChatGPT, you'll have to authorize the account. You will see that the plugin is then installed. We'll then ask ChatGPT to tell us how to use the plugin. We will then click enter into the dialog box. So we are first going to ask ChatGPT to start an initial part of the process. And our next step is we are going to ask ChatGPT to convert our text to audio. We are going to specify that ChatGPT use the plugin. And so ChatGPT will then interact with the plugin according to the information that you have given it. Now, what you'll notice is that in this case, the plugin did not produce the output that we wanted. And in some cases, an interaction with ChatGPT is not robust enough to produce the desired output. Now, there is a standard website that will help you to produce text to audio. And we will look at that website in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.